Hey, so today is August 31 and we are on the way to the south side of South Korea. We're about to attend the wedding. I was advised not to wear a dress. I brought a dress pero hindi raw appropriate. Mas okay daw dapat pag casual. So naka-casual ako. But si Chris, he's looking dapper right there. Bawal mag-dress ang guest. Hey, so we are inside the bus and we are on the way to Gina's wedding. Chris and I will be attending Gina's wedding, so I think they hired this bus for all the guests to ride and we go there in one bus. Ayan, may soju dala si Chris. I honestly don't know saan yung destination, but we're here in a stopover and I'm having Korea's original glaze from Krispy Kreme. Ayaw ko. Sarap. We've been on the bus since getting off from the train, pero parang malayo pa. Hey, so we finally reached the destination and naka-casual sila lahat.
Ganda o likod. Siya niya tayo.
Hey. So we're going in the church. So we are now inside the chapel and we're waiting for the wedding to start. It's kind of different kasi dito pagdating namin, we were ushered to the snack area. Parang kumain muna kami before we have to attend the ceremony. And just as what Tony advised, pinapalit niya ako ng outfit. I was supposed to wear a long dress today, just like what you'd wear in the Philippines, pero sabi niya hindi raw appropriate yun. Parang tatalbugan ko raw ang bride with that dress. And then I told him in the Philippines that's just normal. In fact, people usually have their dresses made. That dress is actually an off-the-rack dress. So parang hindi pa siya ganun kabongga. Pero pinapalit niya. And sure enough, mas okay nga na ito yung suot ko. Mas casual. Because most girls are wearing casual, if not short dresses. Like mid-length dresses, not really a long dress. So buti na lang, meron ako mga fashion police here para hindi awkward. So we are waiting for the ceremony to start. The bride is outside. I've seen her. I think she's chatting with her guests. And ayun, merong AVP of the couple. I've never met the groom, but we've hung out with Gina in the Philippines when they went there in Cebu. Not sure if I was able to cover that in a vlog, pero baka hindi. But yeah. And she's also a rescuer. She rescues cats and dogs here in Korea and take them in as her pets. So yeah. Congratulations, Gina, and best wishes to you and your husband.
써야 안 잡혀요. 형 어디 멀리 가죠? 공항으로 가죠. 잠깐만요. 죄송한데 안 들고 카메라 좀 들어보세요. 고민했어. 잠깐만 실례할게요. 잠깐만요. 네, 못 써. 자, 잠깐만 사진 한 장 찍고. 자, 오늘 그냥 어디까지 쏘는 거예요? 자, 조금만 아버지 잠깐만 실례할게요. 자, 잡아볼게요. 잠깐만.
Hey, so we are at the after party. We just finished attending the ceremony. Hindi ko naiintindihan yung mga sinasabi nila, but kainan na naman. So, what I noticed was, wala silang parang entourage. There weren't any like court veil and candle. Even if it was a Catholic wedding, it was pretty simple. And it was fast. Tapos, simple lang, pati yung guests. Casual lang actually. Tinanggal ko lang yung jacket ko. And after that, this will take until the night. Some of the guests will be sleeping here overnight because this is like at the very southern part of South Korea. It's an hour train ride from Seoul. And right now, the reason why we're here is we're gonna be waiting for our taxi. Tapos ihahatid kami sa bullet train to go back to Seoul. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!